Lately, there has been a culprit that has been stopping me from creating content. That culprit is aesthetics. How am I meant to make this look cute? Delicious. Double delicious. I'm saying this sitting here with a massive hole in my crotch that I am trying to cover. Lots and lots of clothing all over here. And the issue with this is that it's preventing me from putting things out there that I'm wanting to show you guys. I've been working on this, as you can see. It was a project that I really wanted to film really beautifully, but life gets hectic when you're renovating. But yeah, I'm proud of this little project that I'm working on, so let me tell you all about it. I'm wanting to create a wall panel that comes up around that high, and then where all these little pieces are over here, I'm going to bring wooden planks in over there to just add a little bit more depth to the wall. I've been color testing. We also got these 3 pictures up. This is our first wedding picture that I've printed since August 2023. We bought these frames just from IKEA, just like a Perspex plastic covering. It's not even glass. I got 3 paint testers. Green Smoke. This one is Red Earth. This one is Little Green, and this is called Ashes of Roses. Ashes of Roses right on the end there, that is the color that I have chosen to go with. Today, I want to paint this wall. I got this card protector stuff. I'm gonna tape it down. Something that I'm doing differently to other videos that I've seen online is that I'm painting each component separately. My thoughts behind this is that I've hated needing to be so careful while painting our skirting boards and door frames. Painting the architraves of our doors has been a much more pleasant experience when I've been able to do them as separate pieces. By doing it this way, I will just need to fill in some spaces after the panels are up. The skirting is not even straight. Alas. And now, wait, yeah, I think I need to paint the whole way here, so I'm going to put tape along here. I hate this job so much. Ish, it's so time consuming. Matt, can you maybe come pop off the plug point covers here? Yeah. Matt's gonna come unscrew them for me. And the issue is that our skirting boards are not straight. There's some parts where they just pull away from the wall so much. It's literally the most painful thing. More painful than childbirth. If you're triggered, don't comment. I don't want to hear your comments. So my goal was for the panels to be no higher than 130 centimeters. So I just want to measure that. So I need to redo this. I calculated the square meters of the space, and hopefully this 1 liter can is going to get us through this, because just this 1 liter is like 63 euros. I know that this paint is expensive, but these colors are so special and so unique. Oh, one little tip that I've seen online is that before you start painting with a new roller, you should try to defluff it a bit. What? I'll make a noise. Yeah. Stuff does come off. I think that that's a useful little tip. Oh, for fuck's sakes. Matt! This fucking thing doesn't fit. So what we have right here, right now, is a situation where I could go and cycle to Praxis, which is gonna take me 10 minutes, but I really don't feel like doing that. Let's see how this goes. We're gonna be here a while. Hubby just came to the rescue. He managed to get this one on for me. There we go. I'm done with coat number 1, and I started to paint some of the wooden panels. Current room situation. Matt has also just finished off sanding. Our whole house is just so dusty again. Isn't this just so lovely? That's where the oven mitt was. And our coffee machine is looking beautiful. Beautiful. I was wiping here, but you can see everything is just delicious. Oh, and here are my wooden panels that I started to work on. These ones have like a slightly more decorative ridge. So these ones are going to go at the top, and these ones are for the other, like, yeah, going down the wall. Soundbar. Also, something so exciting with our little garden. Started to get some flowers blooming, and our trees are starting to get their little buds and leaves on them. Okay, so it is the next morning, and I've been busy painting some of the panels while Matt was sleeping. Our time has changed this weekend. We are back to South Africa time. So now I'm going to get started on the second coat for the wall. I think we might actually get to finish this project today. I'm done with coat number 2, so I'm going to just remove all of the tape. I didn't have any intent of this line at the top needing to be completely straight because the top wooden panels are going to cover it. Oh, that is satisfying. Can I just show you how cute this is going to look? Hold this one up. Shrimp. So this is what this piece is going to look like over here. I'm so excited. We need to measure the second piece that's going to come over here. Maybe I'll get my little drawing again. Matt! So Matt is going to be doing the most complicated part of this for me. Everyone online says that you need to cut these at an angle if they're going to slot into one another so that it lies more flush.
Still a little bit short. Oh well, I think it'll be alright.
Famous last words. I think it'll be alright. We used Matt's jigsaw for this, as this is the tool that we have on hand. It did the job, but there are obviously better tools to use that would make it a lot easier. That's good.
Yeah.
We now have glue. I've seen other videos online using nails as well, but we're just going to try it with the glue because this glue comes with cancer warnings, damaging your organs warnings, so it must be good. And now we push. So it's now the morning after. Yesterday we managed to get up 2 of the panels, and with how the wind was just blowing so badly, we weren't really able to ventilate the space as much as I wanted to, and with how dangerous this glue was sounding, we decided to just call it. So now we've gotten up early before work and we're going to be getting up the remaining panels. Thanks, my dear.
You can kind of see how I'm doing it, huh? It's just zigzag pattern.
Yeah, I don't know, squeezing this is not really an enjoyable experience.
Because it's supposed to be enjoyable, sure.
I mean, people make it look easy. We're getting the final pieces up for now, until I get the extra panel. How cute does this look?
Fucking hell. The neighbors are watching.
Leave the windows open to blow it directly away.
Okay.
Okay, you can put it down. So I'm currently on my way to Belmont to go and get some more wooden panels. Well, I actually just need one more. With Belmont, you're going to need to find someone who has a company so that you're able to register. You can't just walk in. Find a friend. Start a business. Alrighty, we have arrived. This time I don't need a car because it's literally just one panel that I need. You can tell that this is a more serious business building place because there's no bicycles. Mine is the only one, and there's just loads and loads of vans pulling up here. So this is where I found all of the shit that I needed. Right over here. There's a massive variety of things that I could have gone for. I could have made it way more decorative, but we just kept it simple. I think we used these little guys. You can see the prices over here. I used these prime wood pieces. This is what they look like. I got 7mm thickness by 5.5 centimeters width. And this guy's very long, so they're gonna cut him for me. I keep on forgetting that I'm supposed to be filming this stuff, so I keep on taking steps without actually showing you. The panels that I got yesterday, I didn't end up working on it further yesterday. I had other things to be doing, like cleaning the house. But yeah, so I'm just going to get a second coat on this panel. Playing with fire, Michelle. I just didn't want to be the groom today. You know what's fun is that I've actually been made redundant. Everyone keeps on telling me that now is the time to try and make the most of it. when I have all of this time in the world to make all of this content. If there is anything that you want to see about life here in the Netherlands, then please let me know in the comments down below. Oh, fun fact, when I got this stuff cutted yesterday, I gave them the wrong size. So they cutted it for me the right size, but it was the wrong size. So I'm going to need to fill in this piece. So I'm just painting. Oh, it's so irritating because it's literally just like half a centimeter, but it was completely my fault. It is time for the final panel. I've never set this up by myself before, so I really hope that I've done it right. Using this thing is honestly so uncomfortable. I feel like people online make it look like it's the easiest thing, like, oh, you just squeeze and it just comes out so easily. No, that is not the case. You have to squeeze bloody hard. And look at this! Woo! That's gonna come home to a proper panel wall. So maybe I don't suck at DIY so much, although Matt literally did half of it. I think I will stick to content creation. So I guess from a content creation perspective, if you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to subscribe. If you're searching for more DIY tips, then maybe don't. I'm joking, please subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.